Hi everyone, today we will have a look at my Curio Cards wash trading analysis. This is bitsCrunch Scour dashboard where we track the wash trading details of all the NFT collections in the marketplaces. Let's get started. Under blockchain we have selected Ethereum, then under collections we have selected my Curio Cards. Once that is done, we will get a detailed analysis of the particular collection. So if you see here, the total trade volume till date is 95.3 million in USD, out of which 35.4 million have been wash traded. There has been 28.3k transactions so far, of which 10.3k transactions are wash traded. Next, we have the NFT tab where 27 out of 30 NFTs have been involved in wash trading. This data clearly shows that almost 40% of the NFTs have been involved in wash trading. Let's scroll further to get more details regarding the wallets. So to the left, we have the total wallet count, which is 9.3k, and the wash traded count is 4.71k. Almost 98.9% of the NFT's price have been manipulated, which is huge. With that being said, to the right we have the price manipulation data of the wash traded NFT, where we have the details of token IDs of the wash traded NFTs. What was the starting price, what was the end price, wash traded count, and inflated price. So we also have the details of top sold NFTs and top wash traded NFTs sorted by their token IDs, price in USDs, and as well as in Ethereum. With that, we come to the end of this wash trading analysis. Thanks for watching this video. Do follow bitsCrunch for more updates.